Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and here I tell you about what type of advantage you can take by making an Alexa skill. Okay, so now I tell you about, so for before I tell you about it, now I tell you about this website. You can learn more about Alexa skill development from here, and I also provide it to description link. Okay, so I provide this link for in description. Now you can see, and you there is different type of procedure. And first advantage is AWS promotional credits, and second is developer perks. Okay, so now I'll tell you about promotional credits. Okay, so by the AWS promotional credits you can save your money, and just like you have an AWS account, and you just incur any money for any services, so you can make an Alexa skill and apply for the promotional credits, and after they select your account, and then after you get promotional $100 promotional credit every month, just like that you can see here in your description. And he for applying there you need some requirement, just like first of all you need to publish a skill to Amazon Alexa skill store, then after apply for. So now apply here, just like apply. So here you need name, email address, and account ID and vendor ID. So vendor ID, for the vendor you can get from here, just like that. And for AWS account ID you can get the AWS account ID from account settings. So there's the link already provided. And after select your country, then enter submit this form, and after 15 days they provide the feedback about it. Okay, now the second advantage is, now I can also show you uh, just what is just look like that. And after you getting the promotional credit, it's just looks like that, and $100 promotional credit. Okay, and you can get it from your billing report. Okay, so just like billing reporting of your billing dashboard. Okay, credits, and you can get here. Okay, and now I'm second is very important, developer perks. They provide, Alexa skill provide developer perks, just like a t-shirt, a EcoSport, and buttons, etc. Alexa devices. And you can see this one for American, just like Alexa skill developer from America. So they can get, just like you can see in picture. And if you are a developer of these countries, just like UK, Germany, Japan, France, Australia, Italy, Spain, Mexico, Canada, and India. So if you are from India, so you can choose a page from here. Okay, from the link. So just like you from India, so you can click on India, and here you submit your Alexa skill, just like that. You can see the form. Okay, so fill every detail here, and your Alexa skill ID, which one, just like you publish your Alexa skill and you want to submit it for developer perks, so you can submit the Alexa skill ID here. Okay, and how can you get your ID? I will tell you in my previous video, and you can also get it from here. Just like open your Alexa developer console, and just like any skill you have submitted or live, you can get an Alexa skill ID from here, just like. So this type of part is Alexa skill ID. Okay, so now you need to, okay, and here already everything you can just see. Okay, and every instruction you can read from here. After all, you can apply for now. That this time from 1 October to 2030, any developer who publish 3 or more Alexa skill in Alexa skill store, then he get automatically, he or she get automatically uh, Alexa super detectable. It means he can get an echo device like Echo Dot. Okay, so this and other advantage is just like if you have 300 unique customers, so you can get Bose Sound Sport wireless headphones, or if you have 500 and more unique customers, then you can get Sony PlayStation 4. Okay, so apply for it and make Alexa skill and get an advantage of Alexa skill development. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you have any required help about it, you can comment here. And thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel, because if you want to learn more about it, then you need to subscribing my channel for latest notification of my new videos, okay, about LSS skill. So thanks for watching.